Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to play a video in augmented reality using RealityKit and AV Foundation in React Native's new architecture for iOS. So this will be only an iOS specific video. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. So here I have one video playing. So as soon as you run the app, it will open your camera. Just give the camera permission and then wait for then you can just click on this particular camera and it will start playing the video, but you will have to be a little patient because it does take little bit of time for the camera to detect all the lights in your living environment. So make sure you have proper lighting. If you are doing it in the dark, then you might not see the video. So here you can see when I am struggling a little, I'm trying to touch on the screen, but as now it has properly displayed a video. So here you can see like this is a video playing in my living room. So I can move my camera away and bring back, but the video is still there. So that's what this output is all about. So let's see how to do this in React Native's new architecture for iOS. So firstly you need to have this documentation open because I will be copying a lot of code from this documentation. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first okay, sorry, I need to open my React Native project. So here you can see I have firstly created a folder called rtnmyar. Then I have created a package.json file. This I have just copy pasted it from the documentation. Only this name has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Then I have created a podspec file. Again I have copy pasted it from the docs. Only this name has been changed. Then create a JS folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Again I have copy pasted it from docs. Here I have just removed the props because I don't really need it, and this name has been changed. Then the documentation says that create a iOS folder. We won't be doing that because we want to write our code in Swift. Then you will have to open your terminal, go to this iOS directory, cd to the iOS directory, and then run this command. So this will enable the new architecture for iOS. Then you will cd back to the root of your React Native project, then run this particular command. Once you do that, you will have to do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project. Then you will have to run this command, but here instead of rnapp you will have to write your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp over here. So over here, as well as over here, and this should be your folder name. Once that is done, again cd back to this iOS folder and then run this command. So this will do code generation for iOS. Once that is done, just open the iOS folder inside xcode xc workspace. Then firstly go to info.plist and make sure you add this camera usage description permission. So I have already added that. Then go to your project over here and make sure you update the minimum deployment target to at least iOS 14 over here, as well as over here. Once that is done, again you will have to go back to the documentation. So the documentation says that create this header file, which we will create. Again I have copy pasted it from docs. Only this name has been changed. Then create this Objective-C file, but change the extension to .mm, so it is Objective-C++. Again I have copy pasted it from docs. Only this name, and this name has been changed. Then create an Objective-C file. Again change the extension to .mm, so it is Objective-C++. So here first we are including our header file. This has been copied from docs. Only this names has been changed, and here we are referencing to our project name, so rnapp over here as well. But whatever is your project name, make sure you add that over here because we want to include Swift. And in the documentation it specifies include this import, but we can't use this because we are not writing the code inside this particular iOS folder. We are writing it in the main iOS folder, so you have to use this particular import. Again this has been copied from docs. Only this name, and this name has been changed. Here we are creating variable for our Swift file. This again has been copied from docs. This name has been changed and this name has been changed, this as well. And here we are initializing our view, creating initializing our Swift file, adding it to our view. And again this whole thing has been copied from docs. Only this name and this name has been changed. Then I have created one Swift file. Xcode will ask, do you want to create a bridging header? Just click yes. Then we import RealityKit, ARKit. Also I think yeah, you need to import AV Foundation as well, AV Foundation. and here we extend UI view. Here I create our AR view, initialize it, add it as a sub view, make sure it occupies the entire width and height, then set up a tab detection or gesture recognizer. This is boilerplate code which you have to write. So here we are setting up a gesture recognizer. So as soon as you tap, we get the location, we cast a ray through it, then we create an entity anchor entity for that location, and then I just call add screen. Inside add screen, you can I'm just passing a video URL, change it to whatever you feel like. You can also pass a local video URL for this. Then just create an AV player item, and here we create our AV player. Then I just create a now even I don't understand all this stuff, but yeah, I have just copy pasted it from the docs, and once the anchor entity is ready, we add it our AR view and start playing the video. So now just to use it, you can import it something like this, and yeah, use it like this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.